Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Robin from, I'm an independent Chalk Couture independent designer, and I am doing the monthly Club Couture transfer for the month of May. It is Hello Summer. If you don't know what Club Couture is, it is a monthly subscription. Check out my April video for the monthly transfer and it'll explain everything there. But I do want to let you know that if you are already a Club Couture member, or if you're thinking of joining this month, they are having this promotion for 30% off of these transfers. Let me get a little closer there. These transfers, it is Be Brilliant, Adventure Begins, Liberty, Best Dad Ever. They also have the 10-inch boutique round board on sale. The transfers come to a price with 30% off, $10.49. The round board is $6.99. So if you're interested in any of those, sign up for Club Couture. And like I said, today I'm going to be doing this monthly transfer of Hello Summer, and I'm doing it on, this is a Club Couture, or it's Club Couture. It's a Chalk Couture board, and it is no longer available, but I'm going to do this, and I thought I would do it in patriotic colors of red, white, and blue. So I've got Candy Apple, Liberty, and Bright White that I'm going to be doing it in. And I'm going to, it's my marker here. And I'm going to be cutting, I usually cut mine with fabric scissors to try to make sure it's, because these are a silk screen, and I don't want them to get ripped or anything. They have lines here for us to cut these. They also have on here for us to line them up. They've got the little markers here. And since this is a new transfer, I am going to start with the Hello Summer, because I think I want to put it up top. And I am going to write on the back, Summer, so I know that this is the back of the transfer. So put the transfer back onto it and peel it off, and I am going to fuzzy it. Bring this back out again so you can see everything. I'm going to fuzzy it. Fuzz it a few times, get some of the stickiness off so it doesn't stick to my board, and peel off my paste. I don't have trouble stretching it when I pull it off. That's enough. Set this aside. And let's see. Try to line this up. I'm just going to do it a little off center. Down a little bit, because I'm not sure yet, but I might do a bow on it. When I do this, it comes with the string so that you can use it to hang up, or I may put some red ribbon or blue ribbon or something, or maybe I'll find some red, white, and blue ribbon. I'll have to look at my stash of stuff. And I'm going to do this in red, the Candy Apple. Actually pre-opened and stirred these. And we've been having a lot of rain here last few days, and which is weird because it seems like well, it's spring, but we still don't get a whole lot. We're ready for it to warm up. It's kind of why I was doing this, because Memorial Day for us is considered our start of summer, even though it's not officially summer yet. And I'm going to pull this up, and I want to pull it straight up so I don't stretch my transfer. This that over here. And I'm going to take my hair dryer so it will be a little noisy. I might pause this. Okay, I'm back again, and we're going to put the sunglasses down. And let me get this here. And we'll fuzz it. Look at, I think I need to have a few little oopsies there. It looks like it didn't sit down very well on the thing. I'll do this kind of at an angle, I think. It doesn't seem like it'll stick to this board very well. That doesn't want to stick at all. This is really weird. The edges down so it doesn't leak underneath. It looks like it did that on the whole line. It's kind of weird. Never used this board before, so I don't know. That's why they no longer sell it. Okay, and I'm going to do this in the Liberty. Oops. And I got that a little bit off. It's okay. Okay, and I'm gonna squeegee this off so I can save as much of this paste as we can. Lift. Okay. Got my little bit thing of water. And I am going to dry this. Okay, and we've got that dried, and we're going to put I'll do all the fixing up, touches up. I'm done, and I don't think I'm going to fuzz this as long, and I already did mark the back of this one. And that's what we got our little markings here for, so we can line those markings up. Centered. Centered there. And I'm going to use this one, the bright white. But my bringer was off. I think I might put these on some towels too. I like this little Welcome Summer. I think I might put them on some towels to use for the summer. Just not sure what color. I don't have a lot of inks, so I have to check to see or get some more inks to go over that. Let's see how it goes. Those are dry. I am going to take one of these little Q-tips here and just do a little water. it. Looks really good. But that's where I'm at, and have a great day. Remember to subscribe. You can share my video, like my video, and like I said, check the April out for the Club Couture. Again, for these wonderful things, it's a 3-month subscription, and it'll start in June if you sign up this month. Have a great day.